Ignatius is talking about discernment of spirits, not necessarily the same thing that we maybe use it in contemporary language. So this is going to give you a little bit more background and understanding of what exactly St. Ignatius of Loyola means by that. And this is the way to understand how we are being affected by either a good spirit, which is the Holy Spirit, or a bad spirit. And that could be an evil spirit. It could literally be a demonic evil spirit. Or it could also be things that are due to wounds of sin. That's where the discernment comes in. It's to ask this question: which kind of spirit is affecting us right now? Which kind of source is there to my current state? And based on that, there's a whole set of rules, which are pretty awesome. We cover that extensively in our certification in other places. But the discernment of spirits and the rules of the spiritual exercises give you a really clear playbook on what to do if it's a spirit of consolation, which is coming from the good spirit, or if it's something of desolation coming from the bad spirits or bad sources, we could call it.